YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have quite a few things to show you today, the culmination of which will be a Chanel piece. It'll be my third Chanel SLG. Here is the stack of stuff I want to show you, and this just all happened to come the same day. So let's start with the mail, and I'm going to try to go through the mail pretty quickly and not talk too much. I know I tend to do that sometimes, so we can get to the Chanel. And if you're not interested in this stuff, if you're only here for the Chanel, that's fine. Just skip ahead to the part that you want to see. Before I open those, this is something that I opened recently. I ordered these off Amazon. I got 2 packs of these, and let me open it up and show you. They're little applicators. So like this, it has a soft tip like a sponge. And what I got that for is I bought this, I don't know how to say it, L'Occitane. Somebody correct me. This little lip gloss, not lip gloss, but a lip balm. There it is. And I don't like putting my finger in there because who knows what's on my fingers, right? So I wanted to get these little, some kind of applicator, and I found these on Amazon. If you're interested, I will link those below. And since we're talking about Amazon, let's go to my Amazon purchase. So here it is. All right, I have 2 items in here. I've got this. I'll open it up and show you what it is. Comes in this little case. You'll never guess what's in here. You open it up. This little part is magnetic, and it is a pair of folding eyeglasses. The reason I got these, and someone on my channel told me that Ray-Ban has some folding sunglasses or eyeglasses. So that's the reason I started looking for a pair. And I found these on Amazon. I'll link those below too. So this is what they look like. And they're just a thin little metal frame. And I'm sorry, let me show you how to fold them up because you might be curious about that if you're interested in these. So they fold this small, and then they just fold out like that. You pull the arms out, and then the arms extend. And put them on your head, and they look like that. I got those because I have some small bags that I've been using, and my regular glasses take up way too much space in the small bags, so I thought this would be fantastic. Also in this bag, I got a book. I ordered Deluxe: How Luxury Lost Its Luster. I have heard about this book. I've had it on my Amazon wish list for a while, so I'm gonna check it out. Here is the back of it. If you want to pause that and take a peek. Now we'll open this package. It's from Etsy. Here's the business card and the packaging. And here's what I got. 2 little sheets of tiny money stickers. So I just am getting my organizer pages together in my big GM planner, my Vuitton GM planner. And I have payday stickers, and I wanted some green ones because the ones that I have are rainbow colored. So I got these cute little green money stickers to put on my paydays. Okay, let's move on to the Tory Burch item. Here we go. I have had my eye on this. This is the Gucci Marmont cosmetic case, and I've been really thinking about getting that. And then I saw this on Tory Burch's website today. Here's the receipt, little envelope, and it's just the receipt in there, nothing fancy. This item came wrapped, I've already had it out playing with it, but it came wrapped in this tissue paper with the Tory Burch logo and the sticker on it. And here is the item. So I'm gonna hold this, here, and you can compare it to the Gucci piece. They're very similar. They're about the same size. They look similar with the black leather. This kind of looks like it's quilted, but it's not. It's just a flat leather, and then it has these little T's embossed on it. I hope you can see that. Has the gold zipper, and if you look at the, I'm going to call it quilting even though it's not quilting, but if you look at the quilting design, it's lined up really well. Just looking at that in the store. Just like some of our favorite luxury brands. Here's the back of it. It's plain. There's no pocket on the outside. I was reading reviews of this. There were a few, and one said the zipper was not very smooth. Mine is just fine. The only thing that I saw that was a little bit of a flaw on this is that the end of the zipper isn't lined up, but that's not a big deal. The inside is black. Let me take out the little tag there. The inside is a black, like some kind of textile, like a nylon maybe, and it has this one pocket here. So I can do another video on what fits in this, but I won't do that right now. Here's the front of the tag and the back of the tag. Retails for $118. They have an orange-ish one, kind of an orange-red, on the website right now for sale for like $78 or so, if you're interested in that color. But I thought this was a fantastic alternative to the Gucci piece at a fifth of the price. And with the quilting, it kind of reminds me of Chanel too. And Chanel has some pouches. Oh, I went to Chanel's website today, and I don't know if they released it today but within the past couple days, they have the new collection on the website now. And there's a pouch that's about the same size as this one. It's about 4 by 6. This one's 2 inches deep. And it was also a black pouch, but it had the camellia pattern embossed in it, and it was $700. All right, now let's get to what we are here for. I got this from The RealReal. I was not planning to buy this piece. I didn't have it on my wish list. It's kind of an impulse buy, which is unusual for me. But when I saw it pop up on The RealReal's website and then I saw the price, I couldn't pass it up. So you remember I got this piece in my last video, and that one I paid $100 over retail for. This piece I paid $100 under retail, so see, things even out. Here is the card from The RealReal, which is different from the last time I purchased from them. And I guess, yep, there's my receipt. I don't want to show personal information on that, of course. There is the inside and the back. And then that's all that's in the box other than my item. Here you go. I think you can tell what it is already. Let's pull it out together. I hate The RealReal dust bags. I think I say that every time. I wish they would do nicer ones like other places do. Here is what I got. It is the Chanel O-Case. This is in black lambskin. It has silver hardware. There's the bottom, side, the top, and the side. So this is the old model, which means the interior doesn't have the textile lining. It has this quilted, oh, there's some stuff inside. Let me show you this first. It has this quilted lining that's coated with something, I guess, or it's just a fabric. It's kind of like, it's sort of like a windbreaker kind of material. That's the closest thing I can think, except it feels thinner than that. And I think that's the same thing that Have Louis Will Travel said in her video about this piece. She has the exact same piece. I've only found 2 videos on this old model. That one, hers, and another one that I'll link below that compared the new model with the old model, so that was helpful. But Have Louis Will Travel said that people told her that this quilted lining allows for the piece to stretch more, so you could put more in it. And here is the Chanel Made in Italy tag, which is leather. I'm not sure what the interior material is. If anybody knows that, that would be helpful. And then the serial number, there's a little tag on the bottom. You see that black tag? And yeah, the serial number sticker is on the other side of that black tag. So that's it. It looks to be in great condition. Let me put on my foldable glasses here and check it out in detail. So it has the burgundy interior. You saw the burgundy leather tab and the burgundy around the zipper. The new model has a little CC at the end here instead of just that silver bar, which is so pretty, and that would be nice to have, but that piece, from what I hear, is difficult to come by. I haven't seen it in the store when I've been in. And let's see. I'm perfectly happy with the old model. This lambskin is so soft. I see what people are talking about now when they say that. The hardware, the CCs, don't appear to have any scratches at all. I don't know how well any of that's going to show up for you, but no scratches. It's like brand new. And the zipper runs very smooth. I get a little annoyed when people say that because most zippers do run smooth, don't they? The only thing I see is maybe there's a little pilling on the burgundy part of the zipper there, and I don't know if that will show up at all, but that's not a big deal. I'm more concerned about damage to the leather, and I don't see any of that. I don't see any scuffing, none of that. It's perfect. It's like it's brand new except for that little pilling there. But other than that, it looks great. Let me show you the tags that are inside. Okay, I didn't remember what it all came with, but here's the real tag. It's final sale if you remove the tag, but it wasn't attached anyway. Then it came with the original store card. So I'm gonna have to correct myself here. This is the tag that came from Chanel, and on the other side of that tag it has the original price, which was $400. I said that I got this for $100 under retail. That was based on the current retail price, which is $475. I got this for $375. These things I've been looking, this is why I jumped on this, because I've been looking obviously at Chanel lately on the pre-loved market and new, because I would like to get something new. They're just so expensive. Everything is so much over retail. Well, not everything, but the pieces I'm looking at are over retail. And this piece, the way the RealReal works is if you see something that you think you might buy or you're interested in, you go ahead and click like add to your cart, and that puts it on hold for about 15 minutes. So I did that, and then I did a real quick search of some other websites to see how difficult this was to find. All I saw, I think with one exception, all I saw were the new models, and they were going for as much as $800 something, and again they retail for $475. I found one of this, and I think it was going for around that too. So they were going $600 or $700 plus. I may have even seen one around $900, but that's a little ridiculous. I don't know if they're actually selling for that much, but that's what people are asking for them. So that's why I jumped on this. That's an example of why people say that some of these luxury pieces, some of the particular luxury houses, the Vuitton, the Chanel, the Hermes, are investment pieces, because you can get your money back or get more than your money back in some cases. It's not always the case, of course, but in some cases it is. Here is the authenticity card that came with the piece too. No box or dust bag, but there you go. It's a 17 model. 17 series. And just a quick comparison of these two size-wise. They're both about 4x6. So you can see there's the height, there are the bases. Obviously the cosmetic pouch is much thicker than this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.